did it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up.
Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another hair episode by Julia. Guys, today we have this amazing hair that we're going to review. Oh my god, it came in this cute packaging. So the hair is the one, it is from YGwigs, www.YGwigs.com. that is how you purchase or check my description. So hello, the hair is from YGwigs, and everything is down in the description box. This is how the hair came. It came this one. I actually noticed it that they sent me a band, a bang, earrings, these clips, hair clips, and you know, everything that I need for my edges and all that. And this is the hair, guys. So the hair is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. It's in 18 inches, 150% density. All right, so this is the hair. It is kinky, okay? Kinky. This is the lace, how the lace looks like. I love how the lace is going to melt into my skin. You're just going to see it. Look here, the moment you put it on the skin, like it melts, baby, it melts. Okay, so you can see the hair is so good. It is so nice, the softness of the hair. So this is me previously. This is me when I want to try out the hair, so that you can see how it looks from the way you unbox it, just the way when you order it, how it's going to look like. So this is how it looks like. I basically like the hair, but I don't like the way it's dry. So I'm going to take it to the water, and I'm not going to use any shampoo or what. So I'm kind of like co-washing it using this wig conditioning spray. So yeah. So this is the one that I'm just going to use lukewarm water, because the new one tended to be a little like brittle, which I didn't love. So I love something that is, you know, something that is hydrated, something that is soft. So yeah, I just went in and just like here, boom, the hair was ready to go. So what I did is I hanged it outside so that it can get, you know, the sun, so that it can air dry and all that. So basically putting this wig conditioner on, and this is the following day. So we slept that day and then we woke up today. So this is today. This is how the wig is looking like on this mannequin. So I'm going to take a Cantu. This is the moisture. Is this the oil, the moisturizing oil? They say it's oil, but to me looks like an, you know, looks like a cream or whatever. Like, where is the oil here? Where is the oil? So to kind of moisturize my curls, to kind of moisturize my hair, you can separate. If you want, you can just separate just as you see me, but that one takes a little, like a long process compared to, you know. So this is me, yeah, with my makeup done, with my mustard yellow top. I love it, and I'm going to rock and put it on just like here. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is surely hydrated. It is not as it was in the first place, because it is hydrated now. The separation is going to be like easier for, you know, for me. And yeah, so this is the hair, guys. So I'm just going to start separating. If you have time, you can separate, which is so like okay, but me, I rarely have time to separate. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like, how should I say it? I'm kind of zooming out, and I'm going to get this brush and kind of brush. So whenever you brush this wig, you are building volume. Like you're going to make your hair like become big time. Okay, yeah, just like here you can see, you can actually see the difference. You see that, you just brush, ta-da, and the hair is going to grow like amazing right here. And I'm also going to comb this side, because I think I'm in love with the way these curls are, like, you know, popping when I brush them, the way how everything is, you know. Yeah, so this is the hair, boom awesome, very big, very huge. I love it. I love it. Honestly, I do love it. So also behind, please don't forget behind. Don't forget behind. The hair is from YGwigs. YGwigs.com. So make sure you check my description box and also give me a like. Just give me a like. I deserve to have a like. Don't you see this amazing hair that I'm wearing? Yeah, give me a like, and also you can share out my videos, any video that you want. And guys, don't forget that I usually do a giveaway every after a week, every after a video. So this hair is up for a grab for any giveaway. Just comment down below and tell me, Jalia, I love you. Jalia, I love you. And I will definitely look into it. Okay, so comment and say, Jalia, I love you. So I'm also going to do a mini giveaway. So make sure you just, all you have to do is subscribe, ring the bell button, because I usually like announce the winners. So make sure you turn on the notification bell, and definitely, you know, you're going to see me around. So just tell me, Jolly, I love you. That is all I need. And boom, you win. Hey. I use this automatic nanny to kind of like detect the winner. So I'm cutting off the lace, just like here, pew, 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 cut off the lace, chiki, just like that. Guys, the problem that I see most people do is, this is what they do, like, they don't cut the lace very well, like completely out of their head. So that's why they keep on getting bothered. Yeah, they keep on like getting bothered because they don't cut the complete lace. Always cut the complete lace of the wig so that you can stay comfortable. So I'm just using this gel, the extreme gel, the blue one, which is like my all-time fave, my love, my baby, my sweetheart. I love it. So I'm just going to use it to kind of hide this lace a little bit, so that it can look as if it is my own natural hair. Okay, thank you. So I'm just, you know, kind of pressing this skin to enter inside my skin, so that, yeah. English is hard. So anyway, I'm trying to hide any lace by being so being so easy. As you can see, like, I'm trying to be easy so that you guys can surely understand. And this comb, the one that actually combed my hair, I got it off Amazon. I think I received like 3 or 4 of them, yeah, at a very affordable price. I love the texture of the hair. Just look here, so you can part it the way you want. Like, when you want to part this hair, you can part it the way you want. See, whenever, like, wherever you part, you are parting your own skin. Whenever you part, you are parting your own skin. No problem, okay? So you can look cute like this, or you can continue like to kind of divide the hair. This side part, this is why I love wearing my hair, the side part. Good, fantabulous, bombastic. And don't forget to comment, Jalia, I love you. I will personally ship this wig to you so that you can also enjoy it. I'll enjoy it for the first few days, and you also enjoy it for the next so many days. Okay, yeah, thank you.